Hook, have you ever wondered how your Wi-Fi signal reaches your phone, even when it's far away from your router? Or how your TV can receive channels from across the country? The answer lies in a small, but incredibly important device called a relay. Building context, imagine your home as a big house with many rooms. Your router is like the main living room, where the Wi-Fi signal originates. But what if there are rooms too far away for the signal to reach directly? That's where relays come in. They're like signal boosters that help the Wi-Fi signal travel farther and reach more areas. What is a relay? In simple terms, a relay is a device that receives a signal from one point and transmits it to another. It can be used for various purposes, including Wi-Fi signal boosting. As we discussed earlier, relays can extend the range of your Wi-Fi network. Television signal transmission. In older cable TV systems, relays were used to distribute signals from the main transmission station to individual homes. Radio signal transmission. Relays are also used in radio broadcasting to ensure that the signal reaches a wider audience. Types of relays. There are different types of relays, each with its own specific function. Mechanical relays. These relays use mechanical contacts to switch electrical circuits. They were commonly used in older electronic devices. Solid-state relays. These relays use semiconductor devices to control the flow of electrical current. They are more reliable and faster than mechanical relays. Optical relays. These relays use light to transmit signals. They are used in high-speed communication networks. How to use a relay. The process of using a relay depends on its specific purpose. However, here are some general steps. Identify the need. Determine where you need to extend the signal. This could be a specific room in your home, a remote area, or a large building. Select the right relay. Choose a relay that is compatible with your system and meets your specific needs. Consider factors such as range, power consumption, and ease of installation. Installation. Follow the manufacturer's instructions to install the relay. This may involve connecting it to your router, a power source, or other devices. Configuration. Configure the relay according to your specific requirements. This may involve setting up a wireless network, adjusting signal strength, or configuring other settings. Benefits of using a relay. Using a relay offers several benefits, including improved signal coverage. Relays can help you extend your Wi-Fi network to areas that were previously unreachable. Enhanced connectivity. With a stronger signal, you can enjoy faster internet speeds and more reliable connections. Cost-effective solution. Relays are often a more affordable option than upgrading your router or installing new cabling. Common problems and troubleshooting. While relays are generally reliable, you may encounter some issues. Here are some common problems and troubleshooting tips. Weak signal. If you're still experiencing weak signals after installing a relay, try adjusting its placement or increasing its power output. Interference. Interference from other devices can affect the signal. Try relocating your relay or using a different frequency. Compatibility issues. Ensure that your relay is compatible with your router and other devices. Check the manufacturer's specifications. Conclusion. Relays are essential devices that play a crucial role in our modern world. By understanding how to use a relay, you can enhance your connectivity, improve your Wi-Fi coverage, and enjoy a better overall user experience. Call to action. Have you ever encountered issues with weak Wi-Fi signals? If so, a relay might be the solution you're looking for. In the comments below, share your experiences with using relays or ask any questions you may have. End screen. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.